The stand for them today, basically saying the following.
Mr. Trump obviously can engage in all of these distractions, and that exactly what he did, what he committed on the stand today. But I will not be bullied. I will not be harassed. This case will go on.
Trump's defense team chose not to cross-examine him after the Attorney General's office was done. Now, joining me to discuss all of this is Neal Katyal, former acting U.S. Solicitor General, and Christy Greenberg, former prosecutor for the Southern District of New York. I just want to get right into this. Neal, I asked Nicole before we got off, and I'm going to ask you, was this the Donald Trump that you expected to hear take the stand today?
So first of all, I just want to say, Charles, it's a delight to see you in the chair. So great to see you there, my friend. I was not surprised because, Trump did what he always did. He does cover a lot of ground. He attacked the lawyers. He attacked the New York Attorney General. He attacked the judge. But for all of his attacks, there was one key thing missing from Trump's testimony, which is any semblance of a colorable defense. And that is Donald Trump through and through. It's bloviating, it's distraction and the like. And that's why you saw this kind of crazy antics and behavior. He was not acting like any litigant I've ever seen in any courtroom, let alone someone who's a former high-ranking government official. I mean, he was rude, he was obnoxious, he was trying to provoke the judge. And look, Charles, as you know, I've represented murderers and white-collar criminals. I've never seen anyone behave like this in a courtroom. They respect the court, they respect the process. The one last thing I'd say about your question is, in a way, Trump was successful today by his metric, because we're talking more about his behavior and his temper tantrums than we are about the fact that the guy committed serious fraud. So it's a distraction technique, and in some ways it's working. It obviously won't work in the court of law, though.
Neal, I'm